most of the places, Maria.
Right, and including in Newark right now, and thankfully not quite as gusty as it was at this time yesterday, so hopefully that will be as helpful as that can be. We're at 48 in Newark, the same in the city and Merrick, 45 in Bridgeport. We're down to 46 in Poughkeepsie. And just to give you, again, a sort of a spot in time and give you some perspective as far as how chilly that 48 really is, it's pretty close to average. And we're still okay in terms of average first frost dates for the city. It's more like early November. You get to the north and west of the city, more like early October, and we haven't really seen the temperatures dip that low just yet. So we're running a little bit behind there. Any chance of it in the forecast? Maybe next week. I'll show you that in a second. Out there right now, it is not freezing, but cool. It is clear. This is a view via Earth Cam. You can see every single city light. That visibility is fantastic. 65 this afternoon. So yes, not as gusty, still breezy, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds, but with all of that sunshine and temperatures that are 5 to 10 degrees warmer than we were yesterday, it'll be much more comfortable to be outside. 55 degrees overnight tonight, so not as chilly to start the day tomorrow, and then even warmer tomorrow. 73 degrees, a west wind about 5 to 10, and this won't be our last 70 for the week, but we do have some changes on the way. High pressure helping us get to 70 and then some for the next couple days. That moves away. Another cold front comes through in time for the weekend. This is going to bring about the next chance for a few showers, which may not be a bad thing. We're running a decent deficit for the month of October, only about half an inch at Central Park, at least a month to date. We may catch up a little bit over the next couple of weeks before we wrap up the month, but as far as the year goes, we are still well above average by about a foot or so. So
all of the commuter alerts and how everything's affected this morning. Maria LaRosa has the day's weather. Good morning.
Good morning. Keeping an eye on the gusty winds right now. Areas like Newark in that 10 to 15 mile per hour range, but not as gusty as it was yesterday. And that's the story for this afternoon as well. But it is definitely cool. 48 degrees at Central Park. That's what we find at Newark. 45 in White Plains and Bridgeport. 52 in Montauk. Right now 43 in Islip, but we have crystal clear skies for the most part, bone dry, so we're going to get a lot of sun in here and a good 5 to 10 degrees warmer than we were yesterday. 61 at 1 o'clock. We still call it breezy, again not as blustery as it was yesterday, and we'll still be in the low 60s with clear skies tonight. Enjoy that bright beautiful full moon as it rises later on this evening. All right, Lauren, how are things moving along?